Welcome to Forex in 15 minutes, where I walk you through the basics of Forex trading in under 15 minutes. In this video, we'll look at what the Forex market is and how you can get started trading Forex. Forex is the most complex financial system in human history. It can be very difficult to understand. If you don't understand it, you could lose all your money in the markets. But don't worry. In this video, we're going to show you how to trade on the Forex in just 15 minutes. This is just a small sample of the tens of thousands of video titles on YouTube. The space is massive. If you are someone who is very good at thinking of new ideas, then this is the space for you. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. It has more than 1 billion users. It has more than 1 billion hours of video consumed every day. It has more than 100 million unique users. How to make money with Forex in 15 minutes. With Forex, it is possible to make money with every trade. Forex is a type of global currency which can be traded with other currencies. So, if one country's currency drops, the other country's currency will go up in value as traders purchase it as a refuge. With such an opportunity, there are now those who make a living with Forex. Can we use a 15-minute time frame accurately for intraday trading? The 15-minute time frame may seem short to some, but it can also be effective for intraday trading. If the trader only wants to be active for a short amount of time, he or she may be able to look at price action during the designated window and take advantage of opportunities that might not be available during other time frames. Some traders may find intraday trading scalping strategies helpful. What time frame is good for Forex scalping? It is said that the best time frame for Forex scalping is the current trend, as it has a high probability of success. In order to make money with Forex in 15 minutes, one must have some knowledge about the markets. Is it possible to make a profit in Forex within a 15-minute time frame? If you have a reliable Forex strategy, you could potentially make a profit in a 15-minute time frame. Depending on what your strategy is, your strategy may or may not be profitable. In this video, how we got a 86% success rate for making a profit within a 15-minute time frame by following their Forex strategy. Forex strategy, secret mind, for GBP USD plus 186 pips. Forex strategy, secret mind, comes from scalping trading and, in principle, is still successfully used in this type of trading. However, we chose a more classic version of it. In this case, it gives both trend and reversal signals. Statistics. The strategy showed a positive result of plus 186 pips. The maximum drawdown reached 15 pips. The time interval is M15. Currency pair, multi-currency. Tested on the GBP/USD pair. We tested the strategy. Indicators. 1. Parabolic SAR indicator and 2. The awesome oscillator indicator. Conditions for purchases under the terms of the Forex strategy, secret mind. Option A. This option is only used once a day. Only when you receive the first such signal from the beginning of the day. 1. The price is rebounding from the lower line of the envelope's indicator and is higher. The upper line has not yet been reached. 2. We are waiting for a candle where the parabolic SAR indicator will go under the price. 3. On the same candle, the AO indicator is colored green and is below the zero mark. 4. At the close of the same candle, a buy transaction is made. Option B. 1. The price is located between the envelope's indicator lines. 2. The parabolic SAR indicator jumps below the price. 3. The AO indicator is above zero. It is colored red and then colored green. You can only wait for 2 candlesticks for the last confirmation. 4. At the close of the candle, a buy transaction is made. 5. Stop loss is set below the parabolic SAR indicator. But not less than 15 pips. If the size of the potential stop exceeds 30 pips, the trade is skipped. 6. After passing 20 pips in the positive zone, the transaction is transferred to break-even. 7. If a reverse signal is received in the negative zone, the trade is closed at the market price. 8. You can make a trade in the same direction only if the previous one has already been moved to break-even. 9. Take profit, option A, 60 pips, option B, 50 pips. 10. In the last 1.5 hours of the trading day, signals are not traded. Terms and conditions for sales. Option A. This option should only be used once a day. Only when you receive the first such signal from the beginning of the trading day. 1. The price is rebounding from the upper line of the envelope's indicator and is below it. At the same time, the price has not yet reached the lower line. 2. We are waiting for a candle where the parabolic SAR indicator will be higher than the price on the chart. 3. On the same candle, the AO indicator is colored red and is above its zero mark. 4. At the close of the same candle, a sell trade opens. Option B. 1. The price on the chart is located between the envelope's indicator lines. 2. The PSAR indicator appears above the price. 3. The AO indicator is below zero. It is colored green, and then colored red. The last confirmation of the signal can only wait for 2 candles. 4. When the candle closes, a sell trade opens. 5. The safety stop loss is set above the PSAR indicator, but at a distance of at least 15 pips. If the potential stop loss exceeds 30 pips, the trade is not opened. 6. After passing 20 pips in the plus zone, the transaction is transferred to the break-even point. 7. If a reverse signal is received in the zone, the trade is closed at the current market price. 8. You can open a trade in the same direction only if the previous one has already been converted to zero. 9. Profit-taking order. Take profit, option A, 60 pips, option B, 50 pips. 10. In the last 1.5 hours of the current trading day, signals are not traded at all. In summary, even if you don't trade the 5-minute charts, they are important to watch. Most day traders use 5-minute charts to make trading decisions. Therefore, these traders tend to test actions. When shopping on 15-minute charts, keep in mind that there can be a sharp move compared to the move at the end of the 5-minute bar. Remember that a close above or below the 5-minute bar is a possible sign that there has been a slight turn in play. Day traders should not immediately exit a profitable position, but rather view this as an indication of a possible reversal of the move. It is also the morning when all the market activity takes place. If you want to go shopping at this time of day, you can think of the 2 most common situations: withdrawal and interruption. After all, 5-minute charts can't do everything on their own. At other times, they need help. 1-minute chart for highly volatile stocks and daily charts for identifying long-term trends for support and resistance levels.